I would like to introduce you today to an experiment that I would love for you to do, and you can do it with what you probably already have in your own home. It only takes a few minutes to get it set up and a couple of days to see results. So, my name is Vicki Manitou Okas, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Today I'm going to plant seeds that I found at the grocery store. So I've got 3 trays ready. This is just a takeout tray that came from the grocery store with prepared food in it, a milk jug, and this is just a container, a pot that already has drainage in it, that I found last year at the end of the season at one of the dollar stores. So I'm going to use that. So the only one that cost anything was this, and I think this was like 50 cents. Okay, and I've got all of these with a little bit of potting soil. And the next thing I'm going to do is, because I am not growing these all the way out. I'm going to grow these for the greens, but we're going to start with the pinto beans. Just pinto beans from the grocery store. And I'm going to put these about an inch apart. If the bean is split, it's not going to grow. And since my hands are a little bit dirty from handling the soil, I am not going to put these back in. Just go ahead and throw these on in there. Okay. And in this tray, I'm going to put, in the milk jug, I'm going to put popcorn. Just a handful of popcorn. Again, maybe about an inch apart. Maybe a little closer. And this one, I'm going to put black-eyed peas. Okay. I did not do a germination test on the black-eyed peas. We're going to try it anyway. Just a handful in there. Now the thing is that all of these have edible shoots, so that once they start growing, the shoots can be harvested for greens, and it doesn't really take that much light to get these growing. I'm going to put about an inch of soil on each of these. So a handful of soil. And water these in well with rainwater. Now this water is just the soil is just a little bit dry, and soil can shed water. Potting soil can shed water if it's too dry. This has a little bit of moisture in it, so hopefully it'll be okay. But I want those good and moist, but I also want good drainage in the containers. There we go. So, I have beans, I have corn, and I have black-eyed peas. And by the time we have the container gardening challenge starting on August 8th, we should have things sprouting in these containers. We'll see. We'll see what happens.